Today I'll be opening up more hidden Disney pins. These are the Disneyland 2025 Wave A hidden Disney pins. So this is my third attempt at opening these up. And then also I did open a lot of these at Disneyland when I was there last summer. So after my unboxing videos and my Disneyland trip, I'm sitting at 32 out of the 37 pin collection. So I'm only missing 5. Unfortunately, the 5 I'm missing, 3 of those are chase pins and 1 of them is a super chase pin. So I'm only missing 1 normal pin. So hopefully I'll at least get that one, right? And then I did buy the Wave A version of this pin board. I have the Wave B version back here and I'm working on that one. So after this unboxing, I'll take all of the pins that I unbox here and off of this little pin board back here, and then we'll put them on this pin board and then we'll see what our progress looks like. Hopefully we make progress, but we'll see. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I only have 5 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I got these on the last day of my Disneyland trip last summer. We were just leaving the parks and we had a little bit of time to do some shopping in downtown Disney. So I went to the pin trader store and got a bunch of pins that I was kind of looking at during my trip, but I was like, I don't really need to get that one. But since I'm leaving and I don't know when I'm going to be back, suddenly all of those pins start looking a lot better. So I bought a bunch of those pins and then I noticed they still had these Wave A pins. So I went ahead and got 5 of them. And I don't know if you can see this on camera, but a lot of these bags, especially this one, they are just wrinkled like crazy. They just look like a mess. And that's because the 2 people in front of me were feeling all of the bags looking for Disneyland D-Series pins. So unfortunately for me, I do need 2 D-Series pins. So good chance those aren't going to be in these first 4 bags. But hey, the last bag here looks pretty good. Looks like it's been untouched. So maybe that'll be the lucky bag. So let's see what we get in this first really wrinkled bag. All right. Kind of feel through them here. I think this is one of the 25 years, and I do have all of these. So let's see what we get here. We get Snow White. So we have Snow White, and it says 25 years of pin trading right below it. And I do have that one. And then this one will be, is it Ear Hats? I think it is. I forget the, just like the other hidden Disney pins, they come with one of the other series, but I forget what the Wave A ones were. And it is, it's the holiday one. So we have the Halloween Goofy. Very cool. So we got Goofy and kind of some Halloween striped sweater there. He's got some orange shoes and he's got his Mickey Mouse pumpkin candy bucket there. That's cool. And then that one, I believe I bought that off of somebody on Instagram. So I didn't need to do that because I got it right here. So let's get to bag 2. Let's see what we get here. Oh, I feel a very big flat side there. So I think this is going to be another 25 years and holiday, but I am missing the Chaser, the holiday Chaser one, which I think is the Christmas one. And we have Marie. We have Marie, 25 years of pin trading. And so this will be another Goofy. Maybe it'll be the Christmas Goofy. Let's see. And that would be great. And we get Valentine's Day. So we have Goofy in his Valentine's outfit, and he's got a bunch of heart or Mickey shaped balloons with kind of Valentine's colors. That's a cool one. All right. Let's see what we get in this next somewhat wrinkled bag. Oh, this one got stuck in there. It's like they crimped the black bag into that bag. And this is another 25 years. So I feel a flat side. And what do we get? We have Mr. Toad. I like this one though. This one's a good one. Mr. Toad. I just like the blue background with the kind of his teal colored tie and the green shirt that he's wearing. That one's cool. So let me get another shot at this Christmas one. Will it be the Christmas one? It's very thin. I don't think it is. It is. Oh, wait. It is. It is the Christmas one. Awesome. Am I missing that one? Hold on. I got to move Maleficent. I am missing that one. Maleficent was covering that corner up. So I got the Christmas Goofy one. So this is the chase pin for the holidays. So we have Goofy in his Christmas sweater, and he's got a Christmas gift in his hand. Nice. So I did make some progress, so I can't complain about that. All right. So now I'm only missing 4. And hey, it was a Chaser one that I got too, so that was great. I would love to see the Super Chaser. Yet to see that. This one also is stuck in there, and it's a flat side one again. Wow. So the people in front of me felt all these bags and probably felt the flat side of these pens and knew they were the 25 years and the holiday ones. So we got another Marie, and I think these are like the Wave B. So Marie comes with the Valentine's Goofy or the Chaser Goofy. So this could be another Christmas Goofy or Valentine's. And it is another Valentine's one. So we did get a duplicate bag there. So I'm down to my last bag. Really hoping we get, what do I need? I think I need the Oswald Disneyland D. Maybe we can get that. Let's see, or is this gonna be another flat one? Hey, it's not a flat one. So maybe these will be like Pink Color Story or something like that. Let's see what we get here. Ooh, it is a Disneyland D because I can see it. And it is, it is the, what is his name? Lock, Shock, or Barrel? One of them. He's one of them. I do have that one, but hey, that's cool. And Disneyland D series comes with the Color Story one. And this one feels kind of thin. Am I missing one of those too? I am not. I have the Pink Color Story completed. And this one is, it's very, very thin. And it is Piglet. So we have a little pink Piglet there. So we got that one there. So hey, overall, if this was an earlier attempt of mine, I did get 8 out of the 10. So just that one duplicate bag there. But I made a little progress with the Christmas Goofy one there. So now I'll take all these pins and we'll put them on the other pin board. So here is the Disneyland Hidden Mickey Wave A pin board. So I have the Wave B one, and I think the idea of these is pretty cool because you just lay them all out in the way they are on the sheets. So you have the 25 years, the ear hats, the castles, the Disneyland D series, the Pink Color Story, and the holiday ones. So I got this from an Etsy shop called Guided Beams. And they have like the Disney World ones, and they've got, it goes back a little bit. I think you can get maybe the version before 2025. I think those might've been 2022 ones or something. And then one of you commented that you found a typo on the Wave B one. So I read this one very closely, and I did find a few typos. So we have balloons with only one L, and then Cheshire Cat right here is spelled with a T there instead of an H. Now, those are the only typos that I found. So I'm gonna go ahead and start at the top and just fill this out. And there we go. We have all of the pins that I have in this pin board. And so now we can see that I've got all of the 25 years. Those are complete. For the headbands, I have all of the regular ones, but I'm missing the Steamboat Willie Chaser and the Sleeping Beauty Castle Super Chaser. I have all of the castles, and I'm missing 2 of the Disneyland Ds. I'm missing Oswald and the Tweedledee and Tweedledum Chaser. And then I have all of the Pink Color Story and all of the holiday ones. So I have the 2025 Wave A pins on the same kind of pin board as my Wave B pins. So Wave A, I am 4 pins away, and Wave B, I am 9 pins away. So I'll probably do another unboxing video for Wave B, buy a few more bags, see if I can get a little closer. But when you get this close, it's probably better to try to trade for these ones or just buy them from a pin seller or on eBay or something like that. The problem for me is 2 of them are chase pins and 1 of them's a super chase pin. So if you're going to buy them, they're a lot more money. And if you're going to trade for them, usually you want to trade chaser for a chaser. But if I don't have any chasers to trade, I'll have to do 2 or 3 or whatever somebody would take for those to complete this collection. And then the other bummer part is, like in a month or whenever you're seeing this video, it could be March, but maybe in April, they'll have the 2026 Wave A pins out. So then it starts all over again. I kind of wish they would just do 1 release of these per year, because 37 pins is a lot to try to collect, and then you double that and it's even harder. I don't even think I have the year before completed yet. So it's just something that you constantly have to work on. And if you like these pin boards, so I did get this from Etsy, an Etsy store called Guided Beams. And my review is they are pretty cool, but not perfect. The typos bug me. I know it's not a huge deal to have a few typos, but I know they're there now, so it kind of bugs me. And then the other thing is that they are a tiny bit too thin, because the pins, like this row here, especially the 25 years pins, each one of them kind of broke through the back, and they're not poking through. Like the pin post isn't poking through. Like if I push my finger on it, I'm not getting poked by the pin post, but it went far enough and it pushed some of the wood up. So you have little mounds everywhere there's a pin post coming through. So I wish it was a little bit thicker, but it does look really cool. It's a nice clean way to display your pins, especially if you're trying to complete a series. So that part is pretty cool. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.